In recent years, coffee enthusiasts have been buzzing about a unique trend that has taken the world by storm: coffee mixed with ginger and honey. This innovative concoction has gained a devoted following, not only for its delicious taste but also for the potential health benefits it offers. In this video, we will uncover the secret behind the coffee mix with ginger and honey craze, exploring its origins, preparation methods, and the science-backed advantages that have made it a sensation. Origins of the craze. The fusion of coffee, ginger, and honey is not a recent invention but has roots in traditional practices from various parts of the world. While each ingredient has a distinct cultural history, the combination has emerged as a global favorite. Here's a brief look at how this trend evolved. Ginger, known for its spicy and aromatic flavor, has been used for centuries in Asian and Indian cuisines for its medicinal properties. It's renowned for its anti-inflammatory and digestive benefits. Honey is another ancient remedy with a rich history dating back to ancient Egypt and Greece. It's celebrated for its natural sweetness and potential immune-boosting properties. Coffee, of course, needs no introduction. Its global popularity as a morning pick-me-up is indisputable. The convergence of these ingredients has led to a delightful beverage that brings together the boldness of coffee, the warmth of ginger, and the sweetness of honey. Preparing the coffee mix. Creating a perfect cup of coffee mixed with ginger and honey requires a delicate balance of flavors. Here are 3 ways to prepare the coffee mix with ginger and honey, each offering a slightly different experience. Number 1. Ginger and honey infused coffee. Ingredients. Freshly brewed coffee. Fresh ginger or ginger powder. Honey, preferably raw. Hot water. Steps. 1. Brew a cup of your favorite coffee using your preferred method, such as a French press or drip machine. 2. While the coffee is brewing, peel and finely grate a small piece of fresh ginger or use a pinch of ginger powder. 3. In a separate container, warm some water until it's hot but not boiling. Add the grated ginger or ginger powder to the hot water and let it steep for a few minutes. 4. Once the ginger infusion is ready, strain it into your brewed coffee. Add honey to taste, starting with a teaspoon and adjusting according to your sweetness preference. 5. Stir the mixture thoroughly until the honey is dissolved, and the ginger flavor is evenly distributed. 6. Allow the coffee mix to cool slightly and enjoy your invigorating and flavorful creation. Number 2. Ginger honey syrup. Ingredients. Fresh ginger or ginger powder. Honey, preferably raw. Water. Steps. 1. In a small saucepan, combine equal parts water and honey, example, half a cup of each. 2. Add a small piece of fresh grated ginger or a pinch of ginger powder to the mixture. 3. Heat the mixture over low heat, stirring continuously until the honey is fully dissolved and the ginger flavor infuses into the syrup. This might take 5 to 10 minutes. 4. Allow the ginger honey syrup to cool, then store it in a glass container. 5. When preparing your coffee, add a teaspoon or more of the ginger honey syrup to your cup before pouring in the freshly brewed coffee. Adjust the amount to your taste. Number 3. Ginger and honey paste. Ingredients. Fresh ginger. Honey, preferably raw. Steps. 1. Peel and finely grate a generous amount of fresh ginger. 2. Mix the grated ginger with an equal amount of honey, example, 2 tablespoons of ginger with 2 tablespoons of honey. 3. Stir well until you have a thick, smooth paste. 4. Store the ginger honey paste in an airtight container in the refrigerator. 5. When making your coffee, simply scoop out a teaspoon of the ginger honey paste and dissolve it in your freshly brewed coffee. These three methods provide different ways to infuse your coffee with the delightful flavors of ginger and honey, allowing you to choose the one that suits your taste preferences and convenience. Enjoy experimenting with these variations. Health benefits. Beyond its delightful taste, the coffee mix with ginger and honey offers several potential health advantages. 1. Digestive aid. Ginger can help alleviate digestive discomfort, making this mix a soothing choice for those with sensitive stomachs. 2. Immune boost. Honey is believed to have immune-boosting properties due to its natural antioxidants and antibacterial properties. 3. Anti-inflammatory. Both ginger and honey have anti-inflammatory properties, which may help reduce inflammation in the body. 4. Energy and alertness. Coffee provides a caffeine boost for increased alertness and energy, while the ginger and honey offer a balanced, sustained effect without the jitters associated with plain coffee. Conclusion. You can also add other ingredients to your coffee with ginger and honey, such as milk, cream, cinnamon, vanilla, cardamom, or allspice for extra flavor and creaminess. You can also experiment with different types of coffee beans or roasts to find your preferred taste. The possibilities are endless. The coffee mix with ginger and honey craze is not just a passing fad, it's a delightful and potentially healthful way to enjoy your daily cup of java. With its rich history, balanced flavors, and potential health benefits, this concoction has captured the hearts and taste buds of coffee enthusiasts around the world. Whether you're looking for a new twist on your morning routine or seeking natural remedies, this coffee blend may just become your new favorite brew. I hope you enjoyed this video and learned something new about the secret behind the coffee mix with ginger and honey craze. If you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more health and wellness videos. Also, let me know in the comments below if you have tried coffee with ginger and honey before, or if you have any questions or suggestions for future videos. Thank you for watching and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.